I would now request the convener of IESA Technovation Award 2012 and the vice chairman of IESA, Mr. Sanjeev Keskar, to give us an overview of all the awards.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It was such a challenging task this year in Technovision. First of all, I would like to thank all the nominations across all 7 award categories. We got a phenomenal response this year for Technovision 2012 awards. This year, the theme of the award was Excellence in ESDM. And we tried to recognize the leadership as well as the companies who have focused on creating innovative products and something out of the box where it can make a difference to Indian ESDM ecosystem. Also, we try to recognize the leaders who have made a huge difference in Indian ESDM industry in last several years. And there were 2 types of award categories we had this year. One is Industry Award and another was Academia Awards. In Industry Award, we had 4 categories of awards. First was the Best Startup, a new company which has come out with a out-of-the-box idea in electronics and semiconductor space. That was the first category. Second category was Manufacturing. We always say that manufacturing ecosystem in India has to evolve because today we are importing more than 65% of electronics product. So we thought we should focus and encourage the world-class quality manufacturer out of India, and we should recognize them. And that's the reason we brought this category of Best Manufacturing Company. The third category was Most Innovative Product Company. And you know, we got the maximum entries to this particular category, and this category was open for both Indian companies as well as global companies. And we got really the best response for this particular Most Innovative Product category. And our judges team, jury team, had one of the toughest challenge to choose the best companies in this particular award category. And the most important award in industry category was the Sarabhai Award. Sarabhai Award was planned for a leader who has made a big difference to Indian ecosystem as well as contributed phenomenally in Indian electronics and semiconductor space. So those were the 4 categories in industry. There were 3 academia awards. One was Techno Inventor. This was targeted for PhD students as well as MTech students who are doing some creative projects in their PhD program or in MTech program. There were 2 awards as Techno Inventor. There was a second category which was Techno Mentor, because these students are just out of college, but someone has to mentor them, someone has to give them the direction, what should be the project they should be working on, and there should be some expert who can do the hand-holding. So we created an award category for the best mentor in India. And there is a Lifetime Achievement Award, we call it as Techno Visionary. That was one category in the academia. So there were 4 industry awards and 3 academia awards. Let me tell you, as a convener, my job was easy to really work out the overall theme, roll out the program, and I got excellent support from 2 of our CIG members who are on Executive Council. One is Mr. Arnab Roy of Tejas Network and Guru Ganeshan of ARM. Both have supported me immensely. But the toughest challenge was with our juries. Because they have to choose best out of the best, and they really did a wonderful job, and I would like to thank entire jury panel for their contribution and support to make this award today what we are going to see. So without taking much time, I know you are eager to hear who are the winners. Let me congratulate all the winners in advance, and we will move to the award function. And I'm sure these awards will motivate many of you to really aspire for and drive the next level of innovation in ESDM space. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sanjeev Keskar, for that overview.